She knows everything.
Maliban lang sa kanya. Di ba, aalamin pa natin para makakuha tayo ng back-to-back.
Would you indulge us?
Of course, of course. But before I will do it, I would just like to thank everybody. Maraming salamat po. Ilang beses niyo na ako pinaiyak, pero siguro yung lesson na pwede kong maihatid sa inyo through my journey with this one, you know that I've competed many times, I've placed runner-up many times, but this time, our not yet became finally. So I hope you will also not give up on your dreams because soon, your not yet will also become finally.
Yeah.
So this is my introduction. But I need some, I love
Ayan! Ang ganda ng mic stand mo, girl. Are you ready, Philippines?
Okay lang masabayan niyo ako para mas marinig ni Papa na wag baka mamaya, di ba? Bigay niyo yung case of corona.
O, gusto mo ng countdown, ha? Okay, sige, go!
Emma Mary Tinglaw, Miss Grand International!
Wow! Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you, CJ and Gochabel. To everyone watching, remember that you are witnessing history in the making. And with that, I'd like to thank our friends from the media and, of course, our VIPs, Sir AOV, Sir Nawad, and Sir Jojo Borganes, and Madam. And with that, let's have a photo opportunity with our executive committee and with AOV Pageant Circle. And after that, feel free to approach for your one-on-one interviews or interview them outside of the program. Let's have our first photo opportunity with Emma, Papa Nawad, and Gochabel, as well as CJ, of course.
Gochabel!
And for our next photo opportunity, please stand by. We'd like to call on our sponsor from Marinova, as well as Sir Jojo Bragares. One by one first. First, let's have our sponsor for Marinova, and let's have Sir Jojo on standby. Thank you so much, Marinova, for your continued support of Miss Grand Philippines and, of course, the